All right, so I'm going to show you how to get this little SD card onto this little adapter. So you're ready to 3D print, you've sliced your file, you've clicked export plate sliced file, now you need to get this SD card. You want to open the A1 menu. If you see any menus here, you're just going to quit and go to this main menu here. It looks like this. And from this menu, you want to click the setting option. And then where it says SD card, you want to click that once. And then here you want to click eject. And then click eject a second time. And then you'll notice it changes to none. That means this is safe to remove. To remove it, you depress it quickly and it will pop out. Don't press super hard. And then carefully take the chip out. Look at the chip. You'll notice there's gold teeth on one side. And then take the adapter and find the small slot where this micro SD card is going to go. The gold teeth of the chip face the green side on this adapter. You're going to slide it in and slot it till you can't push it anymore. And now this is safely in the adapter.